Today I'm going to show you how to change hyperlink color in MailChimp quickly and correctly so your email links match your brand style and stand out the way you want. This is a simple edit, but it can make a big difference in how polished your email campaigns look. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more MailChimp tips and step-by-step software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and sign into your MailChimp account using your usual login details. Once you're inside MailChimp, go to the email campaign or email editor where you want to change the hyperlink color. This is important because the link color is edited inside the content block, not from a separate settings page in most cases. Now look for the text block that contains the hyperlink you want to modify. Click directly on that text block so the text editing toolbar appears. If you don't see the toolbar right away, make sure you are actively editing the block and not just viewing the email layout. The toolbar is where all of the formatting options will appear, including font, size, bold, alignment, and text color. Next, highlight the hyperlink text itself. You want to click and drag over only the linked words, making sure that just the link text is selected. This step matters because if you highlight too much text, you may accidentally change the color of the surrounding copy as well. Take your time here and select the exact text you want to restyle. Once the hyperlink text is highlighted, go to the formatting toolbar and find the text color tool. This is usually shown as a letter A with a colored underline beneath it. Click that icon to open the color picker. MailChimp will give you a palette of standard colors, and depending on the editor, you may also see a custom color field. Now choose the new link color you want to apply. If you're matching a brand palette, this is the perfect time to enter your hex color code if MailChimp gives you that option. Using a hex code is the easiest way to keep your email branding consistent across campaigns. If you don't have a brand code, simply pick the closest color from the available palette. After you click the color you want, the selected hyperlink should update immediately. You should see the text change right away, which makes it easy to confirm that the edit worked. If the color doesn't look right, you can repeat the same steps and choose a different shade until it matches your design. Now, review the hyperlink carefully. Check that it is displaying in the color you intended and that the rest of the text is still formatted correctly. This is a good moment to make sure the link is still clickable and that the styling looks consistent with the rest of your email. If needed, you can also test the contrast to make sure the link is easy to read on both desktop and mobile. Once you're happy with the result, click Save and exit to store your changes. That final step is important because it makes sure your updated hyperlink color stays in the email draft. After that, your MailChimp email is ready to continue editing, previewing, or sending. And that's how to change hyperlink color in MailChimp. It only takes a few steps, but once you know where the text color tool is, the process becomes very fast. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like and subscribe so you don't miss more easy software guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.